What is global warming? Is it real? What causes it and why is it happening now? All of these questions are being asked all around the world due to the increasing number of scientists that encourage people to help decrease the effect of the greenhouse effect. Global warming is a gradual increase in the average temperature of the Earth's atmosphere and its oceans, and it is believed to be permanently changing the Earth's climate. The greenhouse effect is the main cause for global warming, which is the trapping of heat in the Earth's atmosphere and its inability to get released back into space. Greenhouse gases that cause the greenhouse effect are water vapor, carbon dioxide or CO2, methane, nitrous oxide, and chlorofluorocarbons, which are also known as CFCs. Water vapor and carbon dioxide are both not only the gases that affect global warming the most, but they are also the most abundant greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. So water vapor, which is the most abundant greenhouse gas, acts as a reflection to global warming because it increases as the Earth's temperature warms. Also, the possibility of clouds and precipitation increases as the temperatures rise, making water vapor one of the most important evidences to the greenhouse effect. On the other hand, carbon dioxide or CO2 is the gas that contributes to global warming the most. It is true that carbon dioxide is released through natural processes such as respiration and volcanic eruptions. However, humans have increased atmospheric carbon dioxide concentration by a third since the Industrial Revolution through human activities such as deforestation, land use changes, and burning fossil fuels. The average temperature of the Earth has risen between 0.4 and 0.8 degrees Celsius over the past 100 years. Scientists carrying out global warming research have recently predicted that the average global temperature could increase between 1.4 and 5.8 degrees Celsius by the year 2100. The negative impacts of global warming on the environment include increases in sea levels due to the melting of the northern and southern ice caps, natural disasters, illnesses in humans and insect-borne viruses such as malaria, yellow fever, West Nile virus, the plague, and typhus. There is also an increase in extreme weather events and wildfires. Also, abrupt extreme cold and hot weathers are caused by global warming. The cold air currents that are usually locked up in the North Pole sometimes get affected by greenhouse effect and move away from the North Pole. So in order to limit these effects as much as possible, several things can be done, such as choosing renewable or more efficient energy over normal means of energy, like using solar power, windmills, and hydroelectric power instead of burning petrol and coal, or using energy-efficient light bulbs over normal light bulbs. You can also choose more efficient vehicles such as hybrids that use less gas and save money. And if possible, share your ride with someone or use public transportation facilities. Choosing to live in a walkable community near a transportation center will mean less time driving, less money spent of gas, and less pollution in the air. Or even better, walk or use a bicycle whenever possible. Not only is it better for your health, but it's also more efficient economically and environmentally. Do your part to reduce waste by choosing reusable products instead of disposables. And whenever you can, recycle paper, plastic, glass, and aluminum cans. If there isn't a recycling program at your workplace, school, or in your community, ask about starting one. By recycling half of your household waste, you can save up to 2,400 pounds of carbon dioxide annually. Global warming is a huge problem that only you can help solve. Start by yourself and encourage others as well.